Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Urban Builder Guide, the channel where we learn civil engineering concepts in a simple and practical way. In today's video, we will discuss an important topic from engineering mechanics, branches of mechanics, especially statics and dynamics. These two branches are the foundation of many engineering subjects, such as structural engineering, machine design, and fluid mechanics. So let's start. What is mechanics? Mechanics is the branch of science that studies the behavior of bodies under the action of forces. In simple words, mechanics explains how objects move or remain at rest when forces act on them. Engineers use mechanics to design buildings, bridges, roads, machines, and vehicles. Engineering mechanics is mainly divided into two major branches. 1. Statics. 2. Dynamics. 1. Statics is the branch of mechanics that deals with bodies at rest or in equilibrium. This means the object does not move even though forces are acting on it. In statics, all the forces acting on a body are balanced. For example, a building standing on the ground, a bridge carrying vehicles, a book resting on a table. All these objects remain stable because the forces acting on them are balanced. Civil engineers use statics to calculate load on beams, support reactions, structural stability, design of buildings and bridges. If engineers do not understand statics properly, structures may collapse or fail. That is why statics is one of the most important subjects in civil engineering education. 2. Dynamics. Now let's talk about the second branch of mechanics called dynamics. Dynamics deals with bodies that are in motion. In this branch, we study how forces cause movement and how objects accelerate or change direction. Dynamics is further divided into two parts. Kinematics. Kinematics studies motion without considering the forces that cause it. For example, speed of a car distance traveled by a train, motion of a falling object. It focuses on position, velocity, and acceleration. Kinetics studies motion together with the forces causing it. For example, force required to move a vehicle, effect of gravity on falling objects. Motion of machines and mechanisms. Kinetics helps engineers understand how forces influence motion. Importance of statics and dynamics in engineering. Education. Statics and dynamics are essential subjects for engineering students, especially civil and mechanical engineers. These concepts help engineers analyze structures, design safe buildings and bridges, understand machine movement, study fluid motion and aerodynamics. Without mechanics, it would be impossible to safely design modern infrastructure. That is why these subjects are taught in the first year of engineering programs. Simple real-life example. Imagine a bridge. When the bridge is standing still and supporting vehicles, we analyze it using statics. But when vehicles move across the bridge and create changing forces, dynamics becomes important. This shows how both branches work together in real engineering problems. Conclusion. To summarize, engineering mechanics has two main branches. Statics, which studies bodies at rest or in equilibrium. Dynamics, which studies bodies in motion. Dynamics itself includes kinematics and kinetics. Understanding these branches helps engineers design safe, stable, and efficient structures. I hope this video helped you understand the branches of mechanics, statics, and dynamics in a simple way. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Urban Builder Guide for more civil engineering tutorials. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.